So this is my last warning. NFTs are coming back and you don't want to be left behind because as you may know, or maybe you don't know, there has been so many CryptoPunk sales recently. Almost every day someone is buying CryptoPunk for over $1 million. They are buying the grails, the apes, the zombies, and I understand that we are coming closer to the Q4 of 2024, which is the most bullish time for crypto. I think the 2025 Q1 will be more bullish because we will enter the next official bull run. Because if you look at the global liquidity cycles, these correlate with crypto and with the bull runs. And another thing why I'm bullish on NFTs and why this is the last warning when you can buy NFTs cheap is because you can see the Bored Apes, basically the most popular, the biggest NFT collection. And why it is most popular? Because Yuga Labs, the creators of Bored Ape Yacht Club, did the smartest thing. They basically gave out or sold their apes to big tier, the biggest celebrities like Jimmy Fallon, Eminem, Justin Bieber, the biggest names in the entertainment industry. And although they were quiet in these last bear run years, and I understand they have to run business, they cannot just throw money away for a marketing when we are in a crypto bear market. But right now you can see they are doing partnerships with BMW. They are releasing their Dookie Dash game in few days because they understand that we are entering a new crypto bull run, new crypto euphoria. That's why these are the first signs that NFTs are coming back, and I think no one did it better than Yuga Labs, because no crypto company has done it so good in the mainstream celebrity entertainment business like Yuga Labs did with Bored Apes. They made NFTs go viral throughout the world, and you cannot do it with crypto, but you can do it with art, because NFTs is basically an art form. This bull run will be much bigger because we have gaming, we have so many games, and all the gamers and these NFT gaming companies will onboard all of these huge gaming influencers, because they will have so much money to give for marketing, to make competitions, gaming online competitions with big rewards. This is one of the reasons why NFTs will take over. They will be 100 times bigger than they were in 2021, because the gaming is the most popular ecosystem, like in entertainment, bigger than music and Hollywood combined. There will be so many new celebrities onboarded. Many big brands are building on their own in the NFT space. Nike, Adidas, Universal Music. I hope they will bring back the Kingship project, which is basically made by Universal Music. But overall, you can see even Pudgy Penguins are doing big steps, big things in this NFT space. They are taking over gaming, toys, like everything that you can imagine. And if you want to win in this space, you have to do it. If you are serious, you have to do it. That's why my advice is do your research great projects, because NFTs are coming back. The first signs is when the grails are being bought. That's why you see CryptoPunk sales. Many people are already buying, for example, for millions, for 1 million, selling for 1.5 million. So they have $5,000 gains just buying and selling CryptoPunks right now, because that's what happens in bull runs. And yet this NFT bull run will be really, really interesting. I want to see what happens, because in 2021 everything started with NBA Top Shots, these NFT moments, which I didn't understand, and they basically went to zero or something like that. Second advice is don't be late. Don't just fade the new technology, the new thing, because I was fading NFTs like for the first 3 to 4 months, because crypto is already too much. There are so many coins, tokens, projects. But if I was earlier, if I basically bought NFTs earlier, I would do much better in this space. That's why don't fade early narratives. Also, ordinals will go insane in this next bull run euphoria. Don't fade ordinals, although I have been fading them for the last 2 years since they came out. But I am about to do my research, find some grails, find some great projects, because you know everything follows Bitcoin first, and ordinals are basically NFTs on Bitcoin. And yeah, NFTs on Solana will do great. And the best thing about Solana is that there are really basically no fees, really low fees. And yeah, that's basically my NFT alpha. Today, this is the last warning, because we may go deep in October, late October, when the prices start going up. But who knows, maybe we start pumping in few days, because many people are expecting the 4-year cycle and they expect that 2025 will be full-blown bull run. That's why I will not be surprised if we start the bull run earlier, because usually it starts in like late October. I think this time it will start much faster. That's why don't fade crypto, don't fade NFTs. Thanks for watching. Press thumbs up, press the notification bell so you don't miss on any upcoming crypto, NFT and airdrop alpha that I'm posting daily. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.